Hey guys, today's video is going to be another unboxing video. I was contacted by the company called Spiritual Guru and they asked if I wanted to unbox their box and I said sure. I love getting new subscription boxes. I love showing you guys new companies. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one. This is a little different. So I'm looking on their website right now and it says Spiritual Guru is a monthly subscription box of spiritually inspired items specifically picked to enhance your spiritual experience. Each box will contain a mix of 5 to 7 inspired products, including items such as a high vibration crystal or stone. I was super excited for this because crystals are like all the rage right now. Sacred jewelry or other adornment, spiritual or growth tools, a figurine or other mythical item, an essential oil, spray, or roll-on. It is $49.95 a month, but you're getting like good things in this box, you know? Like, I totally think the price is justified. So, let's get into the box. First of all, this is what it looks like. Like, I saw this box and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It does come nicely wrapped up. It comes with a little card. It just says Spiritual Guru Box, 25% off. The code is Good Vibes. I'll put that down below. And then it just comes with this little sticker. It just says Spiritual Guru on it. Actually, there's 2 stickers. This one says Sending Good Vibes. So I gotta get one product out of the way because it is super strong smelling and I don't know, I feel like with me being pregnant, my senses are just heightened and I'm like, ugh. It's very strong, so I need to talk about this first so I can get this kind of out of the way. Okay, so this is incense. This is the Satya money incense. This is like a bonus item. This says we've included a box of money incense by Satya. It's a premium quality fragrance incense with 12 sticks per box, used while meditating, visualizing, or to clear any space of unwanted energies. So this is what it looks like. Again, like super powerful. It's almost too powerful for me. I don't know, I feel like incense is just, it's really strong and my senses are weird because I'm pregnant, so I'm like, I gotta get that out of the way first. Next we have a spray. This is the Manifest spray, or the Manifestation spray. It is a travel-sized manifestation essential oil spray. For our manifestation spray, we choose a blend of oils that are known for their manifestation properties. What we love about this spray is that it's compact enough to take with you on the go and it smells amazing. Oh, the retail value for the incense was $6. The retail value for this is $20. So I'll show you what it looks like. Ingredients: purified water, witch hazel, glycerin, and essential oils. It doesn't say what essential oils are in here, so I'm very curious to smell this. It says to shake before you spray it. Ooh, okay, so cinnamon for sure. Cinnamon, that's really all I can smell. The next thing comes in this little baggie. It is a handmade 108 mala bead, I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, malachite, I can't read, necklace. Malachite is a manifestation stone, but it's also one of the most important stones for protection from negative energies. It permeates the aura field with positive vibrations while strengthening the natural energetic shells. This retails for $80. All right, let's take this out. Oh my gosh, wow. So this is what it looks like. Next we have a candle. So this must be like a manifestation box. Like that must be the theme of this box. It is, it's manifestation. It says it right there. Would have been helpful to read earlier. Okay, so this is the manifestation candle. It says it was created to complement our manifestation spray. Our candles are all handcrafted. Use your candle while creating an intention for your orange calcite stone. Oh, we'll get into that in a second. Or while finding photos or creating goals to put them in your dream box. This retails for $22. Oh, very cinnamony. Ooh. Next we have this box. This is a handmade cedarwood dream box. Our OM dream box is beautifully handcrafted in India. Use your dream box to help bring intention with your manifestation by placing pictures or written goals of anything you wish to manifest. Next, place the orange calcite stone into the box to help enhance your intention. It retails for $20. Cool. I'm definitely gonna do that. I think that sounds really cool. Let's open it. Oh, very nicely made. I'm excited excited. This is exciting. See, I like getting monthly subscription boxes that are like different, you know? Like I've never seen anyone talk about this box before. The last thing I'm super excited for comes in this little bag. It is an orange calcite stone. This is what it looks like. It says orange calcite is an enhancement stone. It has the ability to dissolve problems that are blocking one from reaching their true potential. By envisioning your intentions with orange calcite, you will feel true joy, which makes this a wonderful manifestation stone. So this retails for $18. So I'm excited for this. And the last thing in the box was the card that I probably should have looked at first, maybe. This just says the story behind our spiritual guru candles. And it just talks about how they made the candles, so that's cool. And then on the back here is a crystals and gemstones like little guide. There's just a bunch on here, and it tells you like what they're for. Like, I've wanted to get into crystals for a while. I know it's like super popular and like trendy right now, but I don't know, I feel like it's cool and interesting. I get to start with this guy and see what this guy does for me. So that is it for my spiritual guru box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have a link down below if you're interested in purchasing this box, as well as the 25% off coupon code. But yeah, that's it. I'm super excited for this box. Like I said, I love seeing and getting like different boxes, you know, just not the same old stuff. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.